Indrajaal Autonomous Drone Defense System. Grene Robotics, a Hyderabad-based firm, has designed and developed India's first indigenous drone defense system, Indrajaal. Grene Robotics has designed and developed India's first 100% indigenous, unified, distributed and wide area autonomous drone defense system named Indrajaal. Each unit of the system is capable of protecting a large area of 1000 to 2000 square kilometer zone. A drone, also known as unmanned aerial vehicle, is an aircraft which flies without any human pilot on board. The flight of drones may be operated using remote control by a human operator or with various degrees of autonomy such as autopilot up to fully autonomous aircraft without any provision for human intervention. Drone or UAVs exist in a wide range of sizes and weights and may possess a wide range of capabilities. A drone consists of multiple rotors. The faster the rotor rotates, the more lift is produced and the higher the drone flies. In a drone, half of the rotors move clockwise and half of the rotors move anti-clockwise to provide stability. By controlling rotation of the rotors of the drone, its movement is controlled. The motion of the drone is either controlled remotely by a person or the drone is made fully autonomous. The shrinking size of the drones is also making it undetectable by conventional defense systems and can be easily used to access high security significant areas. Moreover, currently deployed point defense anti-UAV systems will neither be able to counter and defend large areas and linear infrastructures like international borders against aforementioned threats, nor that will be economical. Thus, autonomous drone defense systems are the need of the hour, like the Indrajaal Autonomous Drone Defense System by Grene Robotics will be a big leap forward. How Indrajaal works. Indrajaal's design principles are based on a combination of 9 to 10 modern technologies powered by artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and robotics that is capable of identifying, assessing, deciding, acting, and evolving autonomously in real time. Whether the threat is single or multiple or a combination of UAVs, low RCS loitering munitions, the defense system is capable of defending against all such threats. It creates an AI-enabled autonomous dome with an ecosystem of sensors. What makes the system special? The key features of the system are: it has real-time situational awareness, it is a distributed, decentralized and mobile system, it has an intelligent and integrated mesh network, it has the capability to be integrated with almost all currently deployed systems, it works on honeycombed cell structure seamlessly built over a combination of 9 to 10 technologies, it can be used for all-time persistent and autonomous monitoring, tracking and action. It is able to cover a large area of 1000 to 2000 square kilometers. It can easily operate in all weather conditions. Some of the advanced technologies used in the system: Autonomous Drone Defense Dome AD3. It is a powerful anti-drone dome that fortifies a large area or city against drones or swarm areas. 3D GIS. It consists of a comprehensive three-dimensional geographic information system or GIS based display for all users of C4ISRT. In the near future, drones will play a key role in modern warfare. Terrorist groups have already started using drones as a weapon and the Jammu Air Base attack was a recent example. Thus, systems like Indrajaal will play a prime role in ensuring the security of the nation in the upcoming time. Thank you.